Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to create custom fields on ClickUp. So as you can see, I've already created a custom field. Now what you have to do, just open ClickUp and go to your space, select list, and here click on this plus icon on the right side. As you can see, just click on it. Now as you can see, you can select desired custom field. For example, if you want to add text in custom field, you can select text. If you want to add date, you can select date, drop down, number, labels, checkbox, money, website, whatever you want. There are many types of custom fields provided by the ClickUp. Alright, so I'm going with date. Now here, I'm going to write custom date field. After that, just click on create. Now as you can see, I've created a custom date field. So as you can see. So that's it for the video. That's how you can add custom field in ClickUp. Thanks for watching.